Hello students, today we are going to solve the seventh numerical of pH. Question is given as pH of sample 1 is 4.6, pH of sample 2 is 6.6. What will be the ratio of basicity? So, if the pH is given, then we will be able to find the concentration of H positive. Okay. Now the solution will be, if the pH of sample 1 is given as 4.6 and pH of sample 2 is given as 6.6. So from this we can determine the concentration of H positive. But in the question they had asked that what will be the ratio of basicity. So we need to find the ratio of basicity, for which we need to calculate the pOH. So we know the formula, that is pH plus pOH will be equals to 14. For the first sample we have the pH equals to 4.6 and we need to calculate the pOH. So it will be equals to 14 minus 4.6 and it will be equals to 9.4. Okay, that will be the pOH of first sample. Clearly, now with the same concept we can determine the pOH of second sample. So we just put here 6.6 plus pOH equals to 14. So the pOH value of second sample comes out to be 7.4. Now we have pOH of both the samples. So from pOH we can determine the concentration of OH negative. So pOH will be equals to minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative ion. Now if we put the pOH of first sample, then we can determine the concentration of OH negative of first sample. Similarly for second sample. Now the pOH of first sample is 9.4. Now we put the 9.4 and minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative ion. So from this the concentration of OH negative ion of first sample will comes out as 10 to the power minus 9.4 moles per liter. Clear? Similarly, we can determine the pOH or the concentration of OH negative of second sample. So from the same formula, if we put 7.4 here and the rest formula is same, that is minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative ion. From this we can get the value of concentration of OH negative ion of second sample. It will be equals to 10 to the power minus 7.4 moles per liter. Now we need to find the ratio of basicity. So the ratio of basicity will be equals to concentration of OH negative of first sample divided by concentration of OH negative of second sample. We have both these values, that is 10 to the power minus 9.4 divided by 10 to the power minus 7.4. If we solve this value, the ratio comes out as 1 by 100. So the ratio of basicity will be 1 by 100. That will be the final answer for this question. Okay, thank you very much students.